Hello, I'm Roz Morris, Managing Director of TV News London Limited, and we specialise in media training. Now, my tip today is about why you shouldn't wave your hands about when you do a TV interview. You see, the thing is, I'm talking to you now and you're looking at my face. But if I start waving my hands around for emphasis and sort of bringing them up and saying things with my hands, you're going to start looking at the hands and not listening to what I'm saying. And that's going to make it difficult for you to get your messages across, whether it's on a TV interview or in a video. So what you've got to do is work out what works best for you in terms of where you put your hands. Do you put them in your lap, just with one hand on top of the other, and then keep them still and don't wave them about? Now, I'm a great hand waver when talking, but not on TV. It really doesn't work. All that people will remember is that you waved your hands around and that distracted them from what you were saying. So always keep your hands in your lap. Don't clench them, because that will make your shoulders tense and then you'll look worried and tense, and you don't want to do that either. So make sure that whenever you do an interview on TV or on a video, you always keep your hands out of shot and make people focus on your face and your content.